What's up, everybody? Today we are going over the Lian Li Evo and how to spec it out and check it out on viraltech.com. There are a couple configurations. Sometimes it can be a little confusing on what options configure what on the PC, so we're just going to go over what is a case wrap, what's an upright GPU, what's a vertical GPU, those sort of things. So we have the Lian Li Evo. This case comes in white and black. Really cool case. You can do a lot of really cool things with it. You can configure it so the button panel is on the left or the right. You also have the two different GPU, really three different GPU mounting options. You have the traditional way where the card is slotted into the motherboard horizontally, where the fans are not showing. You have the vertical mount, which is shown here with the lime wrapped card. So that is the vertical mount option. And then on this one, you have the upright option where the card is upright on the back of the case. With this option, there are three fans blowing directly onto the back of the card over here. Another configuration you might see in some of the pictures is a front mesh kit. So you can turn this glass into mesh with that option, and then you can also add three additional fans there for a total of 9 fans. So if you see a 12 fan option, that means you will have 3 fans behind a mesh front on the front there to provide even more maximum airflow. You of course have the Lian Li streamers. Those are the cables coming out of the GPU and the motherboard. You have 32 gigs of RAM. Both of these feature the NZXT Kraken Z73 AIO, and these both feature the Lian Li AL120 option. Take a look in the pictures for some other fan options that we have. If you want to go a little bit more budget friendly on the fans, we have those options, or if you want to go even higher end, we have options for everybody. The case wrap option is really easy to identify on this lime case. It's really cool. So if you select the case wrap option on the Lian Li Evo, that gets you the front panel wrapped, the top panel wrapped, the feet wrapped, and the side over here going around the back. So this is the case wrap option on the Evo. And the GPU wrap option, obviously super easy to see. The GPU wrap option will wrap that GPU any color that you want. So if there is a color that you do not see during the checkout process, shoot us a message after you check out. We can get pretty much any color, any style, any pattern of wrap for your case to make it custom, because custom has no limits. We'll see you next time here at viraltech.com.